Hey Courtney, this is Devin from SEO Dallas, Texas. It was good talking to you earlier, and I appreciate you clicking on this video and watching it. I'm just going to show you 3 easy ways to beat your competition online. You're probably asking why I make these videos. There's a lot of business owners out there that are just spending all their time running their business, taking care of their customers. They don't really have the time to learn how to make the internet work for them and bring in more customers. And the only thing holding them back typically from hiring a marketing agency is they don't know who is an expert and who is not an expert. So I found that by just making these videos and giving them away for free, some business owners end up doing it themselves, and some end up still calling me and saying, you know what, Devin, do this for me. So if at the end of this all you see I've got some tricks up my sleeve and you want me to help you take care of this stuff, give me a call and we can chat. I'd be happy to help you. And if you do want to take this information and just apply it to your own business, that's totally okay. This is completely free education with no strings attached. All I'm going to talk to you about today is going to be content, backlinks, and citations. So content is everything that's on the front page of your website that Google looks through just to determine what keywords to rank you for and where to rank you for those keywords. And keywords are just terms that people search to find your business, like house cleaning Arlington, cleaning services Arlington, stuff like that. Now, Google wants you to have about 1,500 words to 2,000 words on your front page to consider you as an authority, and that includes all the text that you can read, all the text behind your images, and whatever your images are saved as. So, let's take a look at your business. Now, I know that you don't have a website up. We spoke about that on the phone earlier. I think it's great that you're using Angie's List. Obviously, Angie's List is a great source to get people coming to you and giving you leads. I also know it's really expensive to use Angie's List, and so hopefully when you see it at the end of this video, you can get a lot more leads at a fraction of the cost by just running your own business. So your own website. So my first recommendation, obviously, is to get your own website so you can rank it. And let me show you why. So I'm going to compare you to one of your main competitors, Love My Maids. These people are on the first page of Google, and for them, they don't have all that much content. They probably have 600 words on this page. The website does look good, but that's not that important. Google can't rank you based off of how good the website looks. What they care about is how much content you have. So if you get 1,500 words, 2,000 words on your page, you're already going to beat them with content. And one more tip too. Let's see if we can find what their images are saved as. If you can see what their images are saved as, you can beat them there as well. Save link. Come on. This one. Nope. This one. Nope. There you go. Nope. Can't see any images anywhere. But, oh, maybe this one. There you go. Save image as. So this says Yelp brand logo. They could take that opportunity and say that it's like house cleaning Arlington TX or cleaning services Arlington TX. And they're not doing that. So Angie's List brand logo, you can do that for all of yours. So that's my first tip. My next tip is going to be backlinks. Now, backlinks are important because Google's like a popularity contest, and they look at how many other websites are linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. And not all links are created equal. You get a lot more power from other cleaning companies linking to you than you would from like Pizza Hut linking to you. Obviously, you're not a pizza company, and so and Google knows this. And so I use a tool to check this out. It's called Ahrefs. It does cost about $1,000 a month, so it doesn't really make much sense to get it unless you are a digital marketer. However, it does give you really, really valuable data on what's going on in the back end of websites. And so, lovemymaids.com, it says they have 213 websites linking to them. That's really easy to beat. You can add typically about 10 websites a day, and the best way to do that is to just go find out what links they have and go get the same ones from them and then add them to yourself. So like DustinMop.com, link right, link local, Freedom Games, you just let it go there and you'd go find a spot where you can log in and get your own link there, right? And you just do that page after page after page. So all you need to do is get about 240, 250 websites linking to you. But here's the big one. They've got 304 people going to their website every month. Could you imagine having that much traffic going to your website every month? How big that would blow up your business? Be huge. So that's my second tip. Beat those domains. The third thing is citations, and you can do this right away. If you type in house cleaning Arlington TX, or I guess cleaning services, I was looking at all the different keywords. Arlington TX. Someone types this in and they're ready to buy. They're typically going to call the first cleaning service that shows up that seems trustworthy. You want to be that cleaning service because those are the easiest customers to close. Many people skip these ads right here because they've had bad experiences in the past, but there's also a large group of people with ad blockers who never see them. And so the best place to rank yourself is in the Google My Business section or local map hack. To get here, you need more citations than your competitors. And citations are wherever your name, address, and phone number are listed in different directories across the web. Directories are like Yelp, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Facebook, Angie's List, Home Advisor, Yext, what else? Nextdoor. These are all really common ones. So a great strategy here is to figure out what directories all your competitors are in. Go list yourself in those exact same directories and then add a bunch more on top. I always recommend to my clients 30 to 40% more to give yourself a nice space cushion. So once you take that number one spot, It takes your competitors a long time to catch up to you, and you can easily close all those easy to close customers by just adding maybe a couple citations a month, maybe like an hour or two of work. So that's all I've got for you. I hope you found this really informative. What I went over to for you today, Courtney, was content. I would definitely recommend getting your own website and then getting 1,500 words on there to dominate your competitors. Backlinks, I would go to your competitors' backlink profiles, go get those same links from them, and then add a bunch more on top. And then this third one, you can actually do this before you get your website up and running, and that's just figuring out what directories your competitors are in. Go list yourself in those same directories and add a ton more on top of that. So that's all I've got. If you want to do all this yourself, again, this is totally okay. This is free education. It would make me really happy to see you thrive. I'm just here to educate the masses on how they can start, making their own money for cheaper. If you do want me to help you take care of this stuff, just give me a call. My phone number is 214-441-6737. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this. I hope you have a great day. Bye.